Now truth table for biconditional, and in the biconditional what term we were using, what phrases we were using, it was if and only if. Okay. So we have gone through the biconditional sentences. Now just going for the truth table. Now, now if P and Q are two statements which form the implication if and only if. Now how we can write it? P if and only if Q, or P I double F Q, one and the same thing. Okay. So now P if and only if Q, P if and only if Q. Okay. So what the truth table will be now is a biconditional, and we are representing this with this arrow. Okay. Here this is something else, we can write like this. Okay. So it indication symbolize it with this one. Okay. Now observation for the truth table. Now biconditional in between P and Q, that is P if and only if Q is true if P and Q have same truth value. If P and Q have the same truth value. Now here again false and false. Second is P if and only if Q is false if P and Q have opposite truth value. Now according to our observation, what we are having, P and Q is true if P and Q have same truth value. Now same truth value, here it is true, here it is true, it is the same truth value, both are true, both are false. And second is false if P and Q have opposite truth value. So here it is opposite, it means it is false, here it is opposite, it means it is false. Now example. Now we can write any of the sentence. Now suppose we are having a polygon is a triangle if and only if it has exactly 3 sides. Okay. Now two sentences what we are having, first one P a polygon is a triangle and Q a polygon exactly 3 sides is a triangle. Now we can check it again. Now first of all, a polygon is a triangle. A polygon having exactly 3 sides. just remove this one. Okay. Now first thing is a polygon is a triangle. We know triangle means 3 angles and 3 sides. A polygon having exactly 3 sides. So both are equal. So validity of the statement is true. So that's why true. Now we can go for the last row, that is row 4. A polygon is not a triangle. A polygon has not exactly 3 sides. So the sense is again in the positive side. So false, both are false. It means it is true. Now if any one is false, now a triangle, a polygon is a square. I am writing a polygon is a square. A polygon have exactly 3 sides. Now just combining it. A polygon is a square if and only if it has exactly 3 sides. Totally wrong. Okay. So that's why it is false. Now third row. A polygon is a triangle. Now I am using this as a true or this as a false. Sorry, this is row 2 now. A polygon is a triangle if and only if it has 4 sides. So it means this is wrong. So when the one or any one among the two is the truth value is false of that particular sentence, then whole the sentence is false. Okay. So truth table for the biconditional goes for both true, both false, false. One false, false, one false,